Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem, right over there. Put one finger in and then push it left and then lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod. There should be a clip over there for you. Pull the rod out of the clip, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it in position like this. Let go off the hood and now it's secure. Let's get started with the passenger side. That's the bulb right there. The way to access it is just go right behind it, and that is the bulb holder. All you have to do is just grab it and twist it left a little bit to loosen it, and now it's loose. At this point you can just grab it and pull it out of the light. You may have to wiggle this, so be patient, but it comes right out. And out it comes. There you go. Now avoid touching the glass surface of the bulb with your bare skin. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to replace this bulb later on. So push this bulb down and then twist it left to get it out of the bulb holder. The bulb size is right there on it, 2, 3, 5, 7 and A. A is for the amber color. Get the new bulb and put it back in. Now if you're not able to push it down, just stop, take the bulb out and turn it around, and now try and see if you can push it down. At this point you should be able to push it down, twist your right, and it's locked in place. You notice that big tab on the bulb holder, the slightly bigger one? Just align it such that it goes on the top side. That way when you put the bulb holder back in the light, it just drops in, or else you'll be spending a few seconds just twisting and turning, getting it to drop in and sit flush like this. At this point, simply twist your right to lock it in place and you're done. Moving on to the driver's side, exact same process, just as accessible. Now that is the bulb holder right there. As you can see, I can get my hand in there and then twist it left to loosen it. Let's look at it from a different angle. See, I can easily get my hand in there and get the bulb holder out of the light. There you go, same bulb holder, same process. Let's put it back into the light, and again you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in and sits flush like this. That is looking good. At this point just twist your right to lock it in place and you are done. First push on the hood, get the load off the prop rod and get the prop rod out of the slot. Put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.